Hi, my name's Karen E. Wells, and welcome to this course on life between lives and beyond. Now, this course is all about journeying between your physical lives. So in a spiritual sense, what it means is that as the soul leaves the body at the end of the past life, it's looking at everything from that point as it moves into spirit and just before the soul reincarnates into the current life. So it's an incredibly fascinating journey. You must have experience in past life regression before undertaking this course, because it really extends all of your skills and your knowledge, and it can help anybody with their spiritual journey. Now, if a client comes to you, they're going to be wanting to look at their soul group. Who is it that they reincarnate with on a regular basis? Who is it that they've come to work through their karma with in this lifetime? We're looking at the body that they've selected, the circumstances that they've come into this physical life in. Because believe it or not, everything is chosen before we come here to live this physical life. Now, I was part of Michael Newton's training team, the Newton Institute. So I've trained people within Europe and within the States, and I've had my own training school now for over 15 years, where I've helped people in many elements of regression. Life between lives is extremely amazing, rewarding, not only for you as a practitioner, but for your clients. For anybody that's wondering, who am I? Why am I here? What am I here to achieve? This course, this session that you're going to learn about is going to be able to give them all of the answers. So I really hope that you're going to join me on this course, and I really look forward to seeing you as we work not only through the video modules, but also with an in-depth training course that I'm providing as well. There's also a link to an actual session that I've done with a client. So this course is going to give you all the skills that you need to be able to take your clients into their own spiritual journey. Looking forward to traveling with you on this course. Have a great day.